Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the front control arm on Mercedes C-Class W205. This is the control arm that I'm going to be replacing. We can see the rubber bushing on there on the ball joint is torn, so we need to replace the whole control arm. We need to remove that bolt. In order to replace it, we need to remove that bolt, this nut for the twist rod, and also that bolt for the control arm on the rear. To remove the rear bolt of the control arm, first we're going to loosen those engine under trays. We need to loosen them enough so that we can get our ratchet in there in order to remove the bolt. Now have space to remove the bolt there. First, we'll start by removing the nut for the ball joint. In order to remove it, I'm going to hold the ball joint with its Torx with the Torx bit and turn the nut so that I can remove it. Next, I'm going to remove the nut for the twist rod and remove the twist rod. Not remove it completely, just remove it from the bolt on the control arm. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. I'm going to use a pry bar just to pry it out from that bolt. Next, I'm going to remove the bolt holding the shock absorber to the control arm. That's that bolt out. Now the only bolt left is the rear bolt on the control arm. We're going to remove that bolt next. That's the rear bolt of the control arm out. Now the only thing left to do is take out the control arm from its place. First we're going to remove it from the rear. Make sure it goes through those covers, and then we're going to remove it at the ball joint on the front. And that's the control arm out. Now we're going to replace it with a new one. That's the new control arm. We're going to first put it on the front of the wheel hub, just at the ball joint. We're going to put the bolt on. Then we're going to put it into the shock absorber, and at the end we're going to put it on the rear. Now we're going to put the bolt for the shock absorber, and then we're going to put the bolt on the rear of the control arm. We're not going to tighten any of the bolts. Before tightening all the bolts, first we need to lift up the suspension, and then we're going to tighten the bolts. Next, I'll lift the transmission up with the transmission jack. I'm going to lift it as much as possible, and then I'll start tightening the bolts on all the rubber bushings. This way, the rubber bushings on the control arm will be in a position tightened like when the car is sitting on the ground. After I tighten the rear bolt on the control arm and this one on the shock absorber, then I'm done with replacing the control arm. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.